In the spotlight's glare we stand, got the whole world in our hand. Every move a perfect line, watch us dominate.
First step is to enter your project name. I'll name this project Lily. Next, you need to add your music, just like we did earlier. You can either upload your own music file or provide a Suno link. Here, I'll upload a music file that I previously generated using Beatviz. After the file is uploaded, click on the Start Creating button. Now you'll see an interface like this. From here, you can also generate images for your video using top-tier AI models such as Nano Banana Pro, and Seedream. However, I'll show you how to create a video using a simple prompt without adding any images. Click on the video icon, then describe the type of video you want to create. I'll write, 3 girls performing a dance on stage. Next, select the video model. I'll choose WAN 2.6, set the video duration to 10 seconds, and adjust the quality to 1080p. I'll also enable the multi-shots option so the video includes different cinematic angles. Finally, click on the Generate button. Within a few moments, your video will be ready. As you can see, the video has been generated. Let me play it for you.
In the spotlight's glare we stand, got the whole world in our hand. Every move a perfect line, watch us dominate and shine.
As you can see, it's an impressive, high-quality video with ultra-realistic visuals. Absolutely perfect.
In the spotlight's glare we stand, got the whole world in our hand. Every move a perfect line, watch us dominate and In the spotlight's glare we stand.